Introducing the ColorKey StageBar HEX 12. StageBar HEX 12 is a powerful 216-watt RGBAW-UV LED bar. It utilizes a dozen 18-watt hex LEDs to produce a powerful wash of richly saturated colored light. The StageBar HEX 12 is the perfect fixture for a variety of entertainment applications, such as wall washes, lighting up DJ facades, or as a blinder. In addition, StageBar HEX 12 is also equally suited for illuminating performers on stage as well as providing visual pattern effects for live events. With individual LED DMX Pixel Control, the LEDs can be controlled as a single light source or broken down into blocks of LEDs to allow the creation of eye candy chase effects. Similarly, they are perfect for uplighting the walls of an event space and are also ideal for providing dynamic colored lighting effects on the dance floor. StageBar is also supplied with mounting brackets, which allows it to stand directly on the ground or be attached to trussing by adding a C-clamp. These brackets allow the fixture to be set at any angle and then fastened securely in place using plastic thumb screws. The StageBar HEX 12 offers a variety of operating modes to suit a host of applications. In addition to DMX control, using an external controller connected via XLR, static colors can be easily selected from the unit's onboard LED menu display, using either pre-programmed macros or full RGBAW and UV dimming. StageBar HEX 12 is also supplied with built-in LED chase patterns and a sound-activated sound-to-dimmer mode. Your lighting will groove and pop when triggered by the beat of music from an internal microphone. The included IR remote can also be used to select specific colors or offer access to the control unit internal auto programs. The ColorKey StageBar HEX 12 is bound to become your go-to fixture for wall washes, lighting up DJ facades, or crowd blinder, thanks to its flexibility and ease of use. Check it out at your local lighting dealer today. And for more options, check out the StageBar Tri-12, a sleek 50-watt RGB LED bar that produces a wide band of vibrant color washes. Visit ColorKeyLED.com for more information, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for up-to-date information on new ColorKey product releases.